So let's say you want to go ahead and generate out a script, but you want a custom script format to be implemented. In that case, I can simply go ahead and let's say, for example, be more detailed for it. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, write a story about a boy, who was good at boating. Boating right here, just like this. In the beginning, to define scene, add title, scene, just like this, scene, location, location name, and time right here, just like this. And then after that, add in, let's say, for example, dialogues right here. So before the dialogues, add the character names inside of brackets right here, just like this, so if I were to go ahead and let's say, for example, say character name, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and then hit the send button right here, then what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and generate out that script. So you can see that this is what you have. So there's scene, Lake Serenity, early morning. The sun was at the beginning, rise over this Lake Serenity, casting a golden glow across the calm, glassy water. Then you can see that I have all of this, and you can see that as per my guideline, it actually added in the name inside of the bracket, and then you can see that it actually added in the dialogue for it. So whenever there's a dialogue, you can see that I get the character name inside of the brackets like this. And that is simply how you can actually go ahead and give a custom script format to DeepSeek and let it generate out the contents accordingly. So hope you guys found this video useful as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.